If you want to receive your Amazon orders as quickly as possible, next day delivery is one of the best options available. Many beginners are not sure how to access this feature or what requirements are needed. In this video, I'll guide you step by step so you can easily get next day delivery on your orders without any confusion. First, open the Amazon app or website and sign into your account using your email or mobile number and password. Once you're logged in, make sure your delivery address is correctly updated. Next day delivery availability depends heavily on your location, so always use an accurate address. Now, search for the product you want to buy. On the product page, look carefully for delivery details. If the item is eligible, you will see options like free one-day delivery or get it by tomorrow. These labels indicate that the product can be delivered the next day. In most cases, next day delivery is available for Amazon Prime members. If you are not a Prime member, you may either need to pay an extra delivery charge or you might not see the option at all. So, consider activating a Prime membership if you frequently need faster deliveries. Also, make sure you place your order before the cutoff time mentioned on the product page. Orders placed after that time may be delivered later instead of the next day. Timing is very important for this feature. At checkout, confirm that the selected delivery speed is one-day delivery or similar. Sometimes, Amazon may automatically select standard delivery, so double-check before placing your order. In short, to get next-day delivery, ensure your address is eligible, choose products with one-day delivery labels, and place your order before the cutoff time. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple and useful tutorials like this.